Want to experience the vibrant flavors and health benefits of the Mediterranean diet in just one day? Today, I'm taking you through a full day of Mediterranean-inspired meals, from breakfast to dinner, packed with delicious, nourishing ingredients that fuel your body and keep you feeling amazing. And stay with me until the end, because I've got a simple yet powerful Mediterranean evening habit that can boost digestion, relaxation, and overall well-being. If you love healthy, flavorful food, hit that like button and smash that subscribe button. Let's get cooking. The Mediterranean diet is one of the healthiest and most sustainable ways to eat. It's based on whole, unprocessed foods, fresh vegetables, fruits, and whole grains, healthy fats, olive oil, nuts, and fish for heart and brain health. A balanced lifestyle, enjoying meals, staying active, and reducing stress. Now, let's get into what a full Mediterranean day of eating looks like. For breakfast, we're making a Mediterranean-inspired oatmeal, a warm, nourishing start to the day. Ingredients: half cup rolled oats, 1 cup almond or oat milk, 2 tablespoons crushed almonds, 2 dried or fresh figs, sliced, 1 teaspoon raw honey, half a teaspoon cinnamon. Instructions: 1. Cook the oats in almond milk over medium heat. 2. Once thickened, pour into a bowl and top with almonds, figs, honey, and cinnamon. This meal is rich in fiber, healthy fats, and natural sweetness to keep you full and energized all morning. For lunch, we're keeping it light, fresh, and packed with nutrients. A Mediterranean Hummus and Veggie Platter. Ingredients: 1 cup cooked chickpeas, 2 tablespoons tahini, 1 garlic clove, minced, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil, half a teaspoon cumin, a pinch of sea salt, sliced cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, and whole grain pita for dipping. Instructions: 1. Blend chickpeas, tahini, garlic, lemon juice, olive oil, cumin, and salt until smooth. Serve with fresh veggies and warm whole grain pita. This meal is high in protein and fiber, making it a satisfying midday meal without feeling heavy. For dinner, we're making a classic Mediterranean dish, stuffed peppers with quinoa and herbs. Ingredients: 2 bell peppers, halved and seeds removed, half cup cooked quinoa, 1/4 cup cherry tomatoes, chopped, 2 tablespoons crumbled feta cheese, 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil, half a teaspoon dried oregano, a pinch of salt and black pepper. Instructions: 1. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. 2. Mix quinoa, tomatoes, feta, olive oil, oregano, salt, and pepper. 3. Stuff the peppers with the mixture and bake for 20 to 25 minutes. This dish is nutrient-dense, protein-packed, and bursting with Mediterranean flavors. And here's one simple Mediterranean habit you should start today: the after-dinner walk. Mediterranean cultures prioritize movement after meals to aid digestion, lower blood sugar, and promote relaxation. Just 15 to 20 minutes of walking after dinner can make a huge difference in your health. And there you have it, a full day of Mediterranean-inspired meals from breakfast to dinner. Which recipe are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and turn on notifications so you never miss another Mediterranean recipe. See you in the next one. Until then, eat well, move more, and enjoy life.